Hi everyone, welcome to Pam's Wicked Adventure. This is my new YouTube channel that I'm going to try out. I hope you come and visit, subscribe, like, share, and spread the news. Not looking to monetize, I just wanted to share my adventure. It's really more a novice channel. I've just started wearing wigs probably consistently, I would say maybe around August, September. I did start about a year ago purchasing some Amazon wigs and things like that. Obviously, before I found brand names, I didn't even know about them. So I did a little bit of some, odd things. So I'm going to share those too because I think what I'd like to try to do on this channel is have you walk through the adventure with me and see how I struggle. Really, it's more my struggle and kind of having you learn with me and then maybe learn from me, and then I'd love to learn from you too, hopefully. But how I want to really focus on how I make my wigs wearable, or how I'm struggling to make my wigs wearable. So I do plan on showing the Amazon. I bought some from Etsy. I bought from Chelsea Smith. I bought from Macari for some, used folks. Let's see where else. I bought some from local stores. I'm going to show you those too. So I've got a little bit of everything. Paula Young, tons of the name brands. So just a little bit of everything. I'm going to do wig reviews, installs, but mostly really take you on my adventure and my journey as I learn how to use wigs. So if you're looking for an experienced channel, this is probably not it. You probably want to go look at some of the more, well-known channels like Taz's and Marlene and Denise and Beth for Paula Young. She does a lot of Paula Young. I have a large portion of Paula Young wigs. And so let's just jump in and get started. This is going to be in 3 parts when I'm stringing together. So I'm going to do a little bit of the wig review here. The middle section is me installing, right? So here's what I did to wear the wig for the day. So I wore it to work yesterday on Saturday. And so I take you through the install, and then I summarize at the end how the wig wore for the day. So kind of letting you know what I ran into for issues or problems or challenges, with this actual wig. So let's jump right in and get started. So this is Deirdre from Paula Young in Wheat Rooted, and the number is 1488A8, or A pound 8, I think is what they call it. She is Versafiber, so she's heat friendly. I really love it. You will see I wear blonde, brown, brunette, auburn, black. I really wear, the only thing I don't have anything in is gray, and actually I do have one that's gray and black, and when we get to that one, I will show you. I am looking to maybe purchase a gray. I think it'll be fun. They describe her as flirty, heat-friendly wig with mid-length layers of soft, beachy waves. And so you can use heat up to 350. She's capless construction with an extended neck, and I'll show you the cap afterwards. Length measurements are 11.5. The front is 11.5. The sides are 9, so she goes a little bit down like this. The crown is 9, upper back is 6.5, and the top is 11.5, so from the top. And her weight is 4.4 ounces. So let me just show you a little bit about, I wanted to show you how she fits. So, and she does have, so no lace, right? And she does have like a little bit of wispy. So this is not me. This is actually built into the wig. And then I just wanted to show you, so my head is shaved. I have no bio here right now. And so I wanted to show on the side, so where she comes to really kind of good. I've got, and usually I'll shave, so this is my bio, and I usually shave that. You saw a little bit of this, so I'll shave that typically. Looks like I've got some growth, but it comes really nice. There is metal clasps in there, so let me see if I could get it right. Yep, so here's my ear, and it comes really nice, like right there. And I've got these kind of bent in. So really nice fit for me. My circumference is 20.5 circumference. My ear to ear is 11.5, and my front to back is 12. And I'll put all this down in the description box. And so this is, the same thing on both sides. So it fits me good on both sides. so let's, I think that's it for as far as wearing it. So let me take it off. And I don't know, what do you guys think of me in blonde? Of course, this is the first time you're seeing me, so you don't know what I look like in brunette, do you? But anyway, so this is, I loved this yesterday. Loved it. So let me take it off. And I wanted to show you really quick. This is what I use. And I have a page. This is my Paula Young. I have another one for all my name brands and the other ones. But I put a page. I list the name of the wig and the color. And then on the back, I put a picture from the catalog. And this is what I have for all of my wigs. These are all my Paula Young. So this is what I use for a notebook. So I just wanted to show you that. And again, this is Deirdre. And she's number A2475. I hate that on the back. Well, at least they show the numbers, right? So they show the numbers, they show the color. And so I use this because I have to go try to find my wigs because I have a little too many. And I bought this on wig.com, not Paula Young. So I find sometimes that the discount codes on wig.com are just a little better. I only paid $45 for her. And one of the, I think 30% off, it was a better deal on wig.com. But isn't she gorgeous? I love this one. I really love it. And I have, oh, what's the one that she's similar to? Malibu Waves. Yeah, so she's similar to Malibu Waves that I have. And I will do an install. All right, so let's take her off and I'll show you the cap. And I use a wig grip. So here I am. I'm shaved, so. All right, and so let's show the cap. I'm just doing quick wig reviews because I think you'll see more about it in the actual install that I do. So she does have, it's really soft, right? So here's the ear tabs. She's got full mono. It's just a basic cap, open weft, and you do have the long extended nape. Okay, so this again is Paula Young, Dierdre, in Wheat Rooted. And so you will now see me installing and what I do to the wig to get it wearable, and I wear it to work. And so that will be the next segment. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Just one notice, in my install, I said first dilemma. I noticed afterwards I said first dilemma. So I've got about 5 or 6 first dilemmas. So I know that I messed up with that. So it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You get the point. But I'll have to watch that and not use numbers and just say, here's my dilemma. Because I kept saying, here's my first dilemma. And it was about my third. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of give that, public service announcement. I did catch that. But I wanted to get a video up and see if this is something that you guys are interested in. I really want to focus on the struggles that I have to make these wigs wearable, because I'm new and I have purchased quite a number that, I see Taz and I see Beth and I see Denise, like I see everyone and they look so, even just out of the box, like so perfect. And I put it on me and I'm like, that's not what it does for me. So I really want to share with you my struggle and how I'm trying to make them wearable and the things that I'm trying. So I will show like with the airbrush, with the steamer, with all of the different things that I'm going to try. I'm going to try to share that with you. Actually, the next video that I'm going to do is Beth just did red carpet. I have that in a blonde and I don't like the color on me. And so she suggested to do, to root it. And I have a little bit of, I don't have the root spray, but I have some stuff that I do have. I'm going to try that and record that for you. So that would probably be my next video. All right. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you stick around. Bye-bye.